What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. There's something that's been long overdue for the XT. Ever since I got the XT, I've been saying that I was gonna wrap it. I already have all the tools and equipment and a wrap ready to, get this thing done, but unfortunately I just haven't had the time or dedicated any time to getting this done. But today will be the day that I'm gonna attempt or try to wrap the Forester's roof. If you may have missed it in my previous videos, it is going to be a gloss black, just to make it look a little bit more glassy at the top. Unfortunately, I'm going to be doing this alone. I'm not going to have any help, so it's going to be a little bit tricky, but I'm sure I can at least get somewhere with wrapping the roof today. Let's go ahead and get this started. Let's go. Okay, so this is the first time that I'm actually looking at the wrap, and the brand I got is the vividpro from Amazon. And before I forget, there were a few things that I got from Amazon as well. It came in a set, so this is a knife, a pick. We got another razor with some more knives. And we got a bunch of squeegee tools. And last but not least, I also got some 3M design line knifeless tape. And with all the tools ready to go, I did wash the car earlier this morning just to try to get all the dust and mud off. But I still need to prep the roof area a lot more. I still have to take off the roof rack. After that, we're gonna have to clean the top even more by claying and using alcohol, just to make sure there's absolutely no more dirt or wax on the roof. As you can see, there's a lot of fading already. I feel like this is gonna show through the wrap. Honestly, I just don't have the time and the tools to sand this down real nicely. If it does show up, it is what it is. I'm not going to be too butthurt about it, but I believe everything's covered. I believe we are ready to get started. Let's go. Now, with the roof cage being removed, we're going to use this opportunity to clean it a bit better and then clay it. The top is fine and clean, as you can see. I'm not sure what the whole deal with this overspray is, but I'm thinking the previous owner of this XT, they must have spray painted this rail and got overspray onto the roof, but that's really not coming off. I tried, I spent half an hour trying to get it to come off. It wouldn't come off. The paint is faded so bad that it's not even shiny at this point. But it's officially time to go ahead and put the wrap on and see where we can go from there. Let's go. So I went ahead and cut out what I need for the wrap. Now it's just really time to peel it and see how we do. Just a quick note, I don't really have any sort of formal wrapping training. The only things I've ever wrapped was the interior for my 86. This is relatively new to me, so I don't know what's gonna happen. We'll just see, but I think everything's ready to go. We're just gonna start to peel it and hope for the best. So let's go and get it started. Alright, so next is going to be the mirror end cap. We're going to be taking them off and then cleaning them and then wrapping them in the same gloss black that we have for the top. So let's go and get started. Alright, so we finally got the mirror caps off. Just a heads up real quick, I couldn't find any information about this on the internet, but just to let you guys know, there are 6 pins that you need to unhook from the mirror caps. As you can see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Once you get those off, you can easily just slide it off. So let's go ahead and clean this real good and then start wrapping it. Alright everyone, so it's been a few days and the XT is officially finished with the roof wrap and the mirror caps, as you can see there. I'm just gonna be honest with you guys, it ended up not being the best. As you can see, it got a little bit of wrinkles, unfortunately, which I'm not really too happy about, but it was definitely a learning curve, and I think moving forward, if I want to wrap it again, it should be a lot easier. What I would do differently is definitely invest in better quality of wraps. The wrap that I used, it wasn't the most friendly. So moving to the roof now, and show you guys, the roof came out slightly better than mirror caps. You can see, I can't really focus on GoPro here, but you can definitely see where the clear coat was coming off. But like I said earlier in the video, I was already expecting that, so it's not too big of a deal. Going around the back You know, the roof wrap isn't perfect either. It's definitely got some wrinkles here and there, but that's pretty much how it looks like. I wanted to mention this part as well. I was debating on wrapping this part semi-gloss black as well, but I decided that eventually I'm just going to clear coat this again. Paint's not coming off, it's just the clear coat that's gone, and I waxed it real good. So I'm just going to save that for a different project. So yeah, that pretty much concludes this video. Let me just go ahead and get some better footage for you guys. So that pretty much concludes this video. Hopefully you guys did enjoy it. Don't forget to like and comment down below. And before I forget, if you guys want to know what happens next to XT, the 986, the Z, the 86, or the 50, feel free to like and subscribe. And as always, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.